Good day, ladies and gentlemen. So what do we have here? Building active email and mobile number leads. This is how to build an active email leads, mobile number leads, WhatsApp number leads, etc. Okay, but first you need to get this question asked. Do you need an existing leads? The question is yes, you need an existing list. You need leads databases, email database, GSM number database, business directory database, different niche categories, okay? And they are available. I will show you where to get them, okay? Now, where to get the existing leads? You can simply go to NineAmen.com. Let me walk you to NineAmen. This is NineAmen, okay? When you're visiting NineAmen for the first time, depending on where you're browsing from, be it desktop or mobile computer, all you need to do is to do a scroll down, okay? So you can come here. This blog and news session, as you can see, is rotating. You can toggle here if you're browsing from what? Desktop. Okay, this is the leads. Okay, so another way to get to here is to go through the blog and session. I will show you now. So when you get to here, you can click here, you can click the article. This is it. As you can see, download over 172 country database. Email database leads is there, phone number database leads is there, as well as other records I don't want to mention. Okay, so this is it. So this gives the question, where can I get leads? We have leads live on NineAmen.com. We have 172 country leads. They are on cloud. When you order for any country of your choice, where your targeted audience are, we will send them to you. The download link is what we are going to send to you, okay? Because the files are live on cloud. So when you download them, this is how what you have. They are all zipped, okay? You can unzip them, okay? Now, this is USA. For example, I believe most of you, at least 70% of our readership is on NineAmen is coming from Africa, Nigeria. Okay, so should you need email leads of Nigeria, it's available, and this is 2021 updates. As you can see, this is Nigeria, and this is the sample page. Let me show you the sample page. These are the sample pages. Okay, so you can read further the article associated with this video. You can read further to get more understanding on how to use these databases to build an active leads for yourself. It is simple. It is simple by you getting an SMTP. You understand? There are so many email marketing platforms. You can use those email marketing platforms, then bring in the number to your platform, compose your messages and send to them while you focus on the users. If you're sending to email, you focus on the users that will do what? That will click your email, that will open your email, your campaign, read it. You should focus on them. For example, maybe you sent out a 10,000 emails, that you sent out a campaign to 10,000 email leads, and about 3,000 people open it. You should take your time to filter those people that open your mail, you understand, and move them to what? Cold mail. Then the people that did not open your mail, you can at least try another day, send to them. Few of them will still open. Then you move them again, add them to your code mail. Then later, assuming that from that 10,000 people, about 4,005 people open your email, then you can do what? Continue your marketing engagement with those 4,000 while you keep filtering them. Okay, By so doing, in less than 1 month, don't be surprised that you will be nothing less than 100,000 active emails. And if you understand email marketing very well, believe me, most of these email leads, they will even buy at first meeting. I don't know if you're getting it. At first engagement, they will buy from you while you keep on engaging with others, trying to sell your products and your services. Believe me, this is one of the best way to sell your product online, to sell your product very fast online. Email leads, GSM leads. Thank you so much.